Another one of the trickiest Webwork problems that wasn't necessarily covered explicitly above, but still kind of relies on the same concepts from this chapter, is it gives you f of x equals ax squared plus b. And so what the key here is that a and b here are just supposed to be numbers. They're supposed to be constants. Like a might be 5 and b might be 7. A might be 20 and b might be 30. And what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to figure out what a and b are based on these two facts. Based on the fact that f of 5 equals 10 and that f prime of 5 equals 9. Well, let's just see what we can figure out just based on this fact here, right? So what this fact is saying is if we plug in 5 for x, so if we plug in a times 5 squared plus b, I should get 10 out, right? So 10. So I'm going to simplify this a little bit more. I'm going to write 10 equals 25a plus b. 25 times a plus b. Now f prime of 5 being 9, what can we figure out from that? Well, first we need to figure out what f prime is. And whenever you have a formula like this, you don't actually need to know what the constants are to be able to take the derivative, right? So using our constant rule and our power rule, we can say that the derivative of this first part is a times 2x to the first, and that the derivative of the second part is just 0, right? The derivative of a constant is 0. So b, the key is b is supposed to be a number here. And no matter what number it is, when you take the derivative of it, it's 0, right? B is not a variable, it's not x, just a number, so the derivative is 0. And when we simplify this a little bit, we'll see that the derivative, f prime of x, is equal to 2ax plus 0, so 2a times x. Now what's it telling me? F prime of 5 being 9. It's saying when I put 5 in for this x, I'll get 9 out for the derivative. So 9 is equal to 2a times 5. And I'm going to simplify this a little bit more, right? So 9 is equal to 10a. And actually, look, we can actually solve for a here. So a is equal to 9/10. And what about this other equation here? So we solved for part of our what they wanted us to find. They wanted us to figure out what a is. Now we can figure out what b is, though, by plugging in my a equals 9/10 into this equation. So 10 is equal to 25 times 9/10 plus b. And if you work that out in your calculator, you will get b is equal to 10 minus 25 times 9 over 10, which is equal to negative 12.5. Okay, so big idea here. They give us two facts, and we just write down what those two facts mean. All right, f of 5 being 10 means this, right? And f prime of 5 being 9, we had to figure out what f prime was first, but f prime of 5 being 9 meant this, right? And now this fact here allowed us to figure out exactly what a is, and then when we figured out exactly what a was, we came back over here. So the big steps here were just write down the facts that they give us, and then we actually get a system of equations that we can solve.